Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. Today we're going to do a WordPress tutorial. We want to learn how to remove this text down here which says built with StoreFront and WooCommerce. So sometimes you don't want to see this. Maybe you want to change it to your company or to the company which developed or designed your website. So but now these theme what developers, they put this text, so and you don't want to see that. So I hope you're using WordPress and also you're using StoreFront. So this is the theme we're going to deal with today. So to see how to remove this text, it doesn't take much, but anyway, you got to go to your code and remove it from the code. So if you don't want to remove it with a plugin, because if you remove it with a code, it's 100% gone. But if you remove it with a plugin, simply means once you uninstall that plugin, you might see this text again. So now what you're gonna do, go to your FTP and you go to your code. I'm gonna change it, then I'll show you how did we reach there. So I'm here already, so we're gonna come here and say I'm gonna go to a website like you can see Alibaba. I want to go down here and see how did they do things. They say copyright now Alibaba, all rights reserved. So you can use a text like this, or you can use your own text, or you remove that completely, because if you can see here, we're gonna be having what we have this another text which talks about your website. You can see copyright. Okay, you might need to remove this completely and don't replace it with anything, but if you want to replace it with something else, then it's gonna be up to you. So go to your FTP, we're gonna delete it, then I'm gonna take you back, I take you back, then I'll show you what to do. So here you can delete this like completely. You delete it. After deletion, you're gonna go also here, you delete this. Let's type something and say we can say maybe Azania tutorials. Okay, after that we save, and we're gonna want to see the results of this. Let's press here, and you can see now it's changed, but we're gonna do a couple of changes. We wanna remove the link, you wanna remove this, or we wanna go back and show you how did we reach on that code, which part of the code you're going to change, and which folder is do we find that code. So remove this, we want to remove this, and okay, once we remove that, we're gonna also look for something like a link. You see this link links to WordPress. We can delete that link to WooCommerce. We can delete that link if you want to. Then instead of having this href, then you delete it. Remember, this is something which is complete. This which is they concatenate this to this, and that I think when you delete this, simply means you've deleted the link function. So then you save this, and you disabling these link functions. So after that, you can go back to your save anyway. You can go back to your website and see down here, when we scroll down here, that is completely gone, 100%. But I see a small dot here. I wonder what is that. We can go and find out. Okay, it could be this, because it ends there, so we can delete that also. But don't delete this, because these dots, these are concatenation. In PHP, it means you are connecting another statement to another statement, something like that, joining that code. So if you delete this, it's gonna give you a big error which gonna give you trouble. And let's refresh this. Okay, after refreshing, we don't want to see that code down. We're gonna go down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yes, so this is 100% perfect, what we wanted. So we remove that, and we're now gonna go to another step to see where did we get this code. In some cases, you can look into something like we go back here. Okay, it's fine. It's a store template function. Okay, look, we go back here. You can see we got it in this page called StoreFront template functions .php. So this is where we got it. So also there's this one called StoreFront functions, but here it's called StoreFront template functions. This is where we got this. So let's go back and go back and go back and see how did we reach here. So we're gonna say back, and we say back. Okay, so and we say back. Okay, and we say back, we say back, we say back. Okay, so once you log into your FTP, you go to public HTML, and you go to content, then you go to themes, then you select from StoreFront, double click that, then you go to first thing. What you have to do, you got to go to template, other themes. You can see there's nothing in there. You go back, you see this is the way I find it. Languages, you want to see just what is in there, nothing's there. Go back, you go to ink. This we can see customize what this is where you find our codes. So it's gonna it's under under what, under ink, includes. So you go to this page called StoreFront template functions. So you go there, you edit. I say okay, edit anyway. Once we edit, you can see that when we go down where we went, we deleted everything in where it was. Let me scroll down, scroll down. Remember, we deleted that, so there's nothing there anymore. So remember, you can see this is where the code was. Something was in here and something was in here. Here we had a dot at the end, so that simply means we've done what we managed to do was to go to the code and deleted this. So you can play with, if you know PHP, you can play with this this function, because this function, it's here, it's a if this is an if statement. In case you delete the entire function, let's see what's gonna happen. You cut it off and you save. After saving, let's see what's gonna happen. Don't worry about that, we're gonna play with everything and come back and see what's gonna happen. When you delete everything, you must know coding. If you don't know coding, don't just touch anything, leave it the way it is. So you can see now I deleted everything, so nothing happened. But anyway, I want you to know that what we did was something dangerous. You don't customize much of this code. So I've done that. I've brought this back because it would not cause any harm, because I know some little PHP. So I managed to customize this. I can delete this function and I can put it back. Anyway, so if you don't know much of PHP, don't play with that. So just go inside here, delete what is here, the text here. You can replace it with your own text. And you saw also we deleted here the website which was linking to WooCommerce. So you can use your own website to link on that if you don't want any links. So you can put maybe a hash like this, so hashtag, so it simply means it's gonna link when you click, it's gonna be linking to the same page where it is. Maybe if it's our home page, it's gonna go to home page back. If it's gonna be on cart page, it's gonna go to the cart page. Whatever page it's gonna be on, once you click this, as long as you put in the hashtag, it's gonna go to the same page. So if you want that, also you can leave that. But me, I just deleted everything because I didn't put any text here. But if you wanna do that, you can put your text here, maybe by your company or by whoever you want to link into that. Then after that, you're gonna save your code. After saving your code, then it will be easier for you to start work. Let me go back here, we refresh here, and after refreshing, we can see the website is working 100% with no errors, nothing. So we go back here down, we can see that we managed to remove that. Guys, thanks for watching, and I hope this video gonna be useful to you guys. Please subscribe and also comment and share our content everywhere. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.